Have you ever stopped to ponder the silent toll our modern lifestyles take on our bodies? The constant slouching over screens, the shoulders that bear the weight of the world. It all adds up. But fear not, because today we're embarking on a journey that goes beyond the trendy fitness buzz. Welcome to a realm where gains meet intelligence, where the story unfolds through the art of the hang. It all started with the buzz around dead hang and active hang. These exercises, celebrated for their impact on shoulder health, back strength, and grip, became the unsung heroes in a world saturated with fitness trends. The dead hang, a savior for your spine, an opener of the shoulder joint. It's like hitting the reset button on years of damage inflicted by our perpetual slouched posture. And then there's the active hang, a maestro in teaching the neglected lower trapezius to stand tall amidst the sea of weakness caused by our sedentary lives. But here's the plot twist. Even with the power-packed duo of dead and active hangs, the story wasn't complete. There was an unexplored realm, a progression waiting to unravel its secrets. Enter the activated arch hang, the technically correct term for what would soon be crowned the perfect hang. A saga that involved the swan hang, a nickname earned for its unmatched ability to heal the wounds of slouched postures. Why perfect? Because this hang, this superhero in the fitness world, takes on the challenge of reversing the damages caused by our modern love affair with sitting and cell phones. It's a holistic remedy, addressing not just mobility, but the very essence of strength and muscle control in our shoulders and upper spine. Now, the secret lies not in dissecting anatomical jargon, but in embracing the simplicity of the perfect hang. A movement that becomes an ally, guiding you to depress, retract, and pack those shoulder blades while dancing with external rotation and a touch of thoracic spine extension. So let's dive into the performance of this mythical hang. But a word of advice: if you haven't befriended the dead hang and active hang yet, consider them your mentors. They prepare the canvas upon which the masterpiece is painted. Stand beneath the bar, grip it with determination, and embark on the journey. Whether your grip is overhand or neutral, the choice is yours. Let the active hang guide you. Lean back. Feel the activation in your lats and upper back. It's a symphony of movement, a dance that leaves you hanging at a 45-degree angle. Picture breaking the bar as you externally rotate your arms. Feel the squeeze around your shoulder blades. Hold this symphony for 20, 60 seconds, or work your way up to it. Then release a brief active hang and gracefully drop off the bar. Now, the journey from dead hang to active hang to the perfect hang and back. It's an exercise in itself, known as the swan pull or the activated arch pull. It's perfection in motion, a sequence that ensures your shoulder blades are activated and ready for whatever challenges lie ahead. So, there you have it, a routine that promises a ridiculous gain in shoulder blade control, a taller posture, and the confidence of a superhero. If you embrace this routine, consider your shoulder prehab done for the first half of the week. With that said, thanks for tuning in to Clever Gains, where we navigate the world of fitness with intelligence and insight. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips, tricks, and smart approaches to your fitness journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Clever Gains, where gains meet brains. Until next time, stay clever, stay fit,